teacher. Today we are seeing what God made.
What did God make on the fifth day, Lainey?
Animals.
Animals, well, not all types of animals on the fifth day. He made birds that fly in the sky and fish that swim in the sea. Lainey, are we gonna show them some cool birds and fish today?
Yeah.
Just look at all the different birds that God has created. God is so creative.
Look at these ones. They're called the buffalo ducks.
They're so cute and little, Lou. Look at all of these different types of birds. Guys, look at this really cool bird. And this one's called a bleeding heart dove because of its red feathers.
Guys, we found the biggest bird at the zoo.
Oh, wow. Those are big. They're called the rhinoceros hornbill. Birds sing the most beautiful songs. And this one here is called a tawny frogmouth. Let's move on to fish. Okay, my friends, we are going to see Miss Kate's favorite animal of all time. It's a fish, and it lives in the Amazon. And it's that big, big fish right there. It's called an arapaima, and it has red on its tail, and it's so big it can jump 6 feet out of the water. Let's take a closer look. Look at all these other fish that live in the Amazon. Look at how creative our God is. Look at that catfish. There is an Amazon sea turtle. Check this one out. This is called a pacu, related to the piranhas. And there's my arapaima. And the white ones here are called an arowana. Look at how creative our God is and how many different creatures He created. Okay guys, can you spot some of these fish? They're a little bit smaller. These ones live in the swamp. This one's called a clouded archerfish. And that one, way back there in the back, if you can see him, maybe he'll come forward a little bit, is a pufferfish. And that guy, look at that one. That one is a dragon goby.
Sometimes birds don't always fly. Sometimes they swim.
This is a red-bellied piranha. Notice how they look like they have flecks of gold on their backs. These can be some dangerous fish. They eat meat. Here is all the type of fish that live just here in Wisconsin. Look at all of this types of fish. Look at them. These live right here in the lakes and the rivers and the ponds that are here in Wisconsin. All these different type of fish that God has created. Guys, look at this cool fish. The octopus is out today. Do you see him, guys? Look at all of his cool tentacles. Look how incredibly God created him.
We had so much fun at the zoo. We love the fish exhibits. We love the bird exhibit. Even the flamingos. Over to you, Mom.
Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed our adventure at the zoo and seeing all of those wonderful birds and fish. And look, Lainey, what did we do?
We added birds and the fish on our thing.
On our creation picture. We added them to our picture. Pretty cool, huh, Lainey?
Uh-huh.
Alrighty, guys, our Bible says, "Then God said, let the waters be filled with fish, and let there be birds with wings to fly above the earth." And that was what happened on the fifth day. So we've got fish in our earth, right? And birds flying above. We hope you guys have a wonderful week. We'll see you next week to figure out what He made on the sixth day. Bye.
Bye.